Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the top 5 best dash cams in the market for this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To see the price and find out more information about these dash cams, you can check out the description below. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, it's the Black Box Mobius Pro. When we're talking about dash cams, we know that two of the most important traits of them are the sophistication and the design. Mobius Pro is one of the best and most affordable full HD mini dash cams around, and due to its success on the market, we decided to add this product onto our list. Design-wise, this unit boasts a matte black construction, which looks simple and elegant, and the control buttons at the front face give a great look to the overall aesthetics. At only 2 by 1 by 1 inches and with an incredible weight of only 1 ounce, the Black Box Mobius Pro can easily fit in any pocket, which makes it a great addition for you to carry around without any problem whatsoever. An important point to mark about this product is that this mini dashcam is able to record and stream HD quality, a capability which is normally found on devices 5 or 6 times its size. Speaking of performance, the Black Box Mobius Pro Mini can record flawlessly at 1080p H.264 at 30 frames per second. It records at a bitrate of nearly 18,000 kbps, which is remarkable. Furthermore, for extremely fast recording, you can choose to switch to the 720p 60 fps recording mode, while for the light mode scenarios, you can use the WDR mode and capture the best moments at the highest quality possible. In addition, the Mobius can be easily configured in the motion detect recording, enabling you to set your desired sensitivity. To top it all, this device comes equipped with a time-lapse mode, which allows you to take still images and videos automatically at a preset interval. When it comes to the audio, this dashcam records at an impressive 512 kbps quality. This is pretty much higher than standard CD quality, which comes at a standard 320 kbps. Considering this, 512 kbps quality is somewhat close to FLAC quality, which is the highest quality movie tracks are made of. Moreover, this device is equipped with an increased capacity battery, which lasts anywhere from 1 hour 50 minutes up to 2 hours and 30 minutes. To conclude, this modern dashcam is widely considered one of the best products in its price range. So, we recommend you consider this dashcam since it will not disappoint you with its performance. At number 4, it's the Rexing V1. The Rexing V1 has been on the market for a couple of years, but since its initial release, users haven't stopped purchasing it due to its powerful capabilities that'll guarantee you consistent recordings with exceptionally sharp quality. From a design perspective, this unit has an all-black, low-profile construction that's accompanied by a 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, a 2.4-inch screen with an intuitive control panel located beneath, a micro USB port, a single micro SD slot, a GPS port, and an included 3-meter adhesive mount of which you can take advantage in order to mount this by your windshield. In addition to the adhesive mount, you'll also find a 12-foot in-car power cable, single USB cable, and a user manual, but you'll have an option to purchase additional accessories if you feel that the included ones aren't sufficient. But I really doubt this. Let's talk about performance. The V1 can record full HD 1080p videos at 30 fps, which is quite good, and if we add its ultra-wide angle lens, this means that this camera can record in various lighting conditions and still be capable enough to provide a great coverage of your surroundings. In addition, you'll have an option to make loop recordings. For instance, you can split a recorded video into 3, 5 or 10-minute segments, and when the memory card is full, this unit will overwrite the older videos with the new ones, so you shouldn't have to worry about anything. But keep in mind that you should additionally purchase a memory card since it's not included in the package. Moreover, the V1 integrates a gravity sensor, which I particularly like because the recorded video will be protected and locked when a collision occurs. Before we end, I'd like to inform you that the only remark users had regarding its performance was the internal battery, which may offer you up to about 5 minutes of backup. But you can solve this issue by connecting this camera to an external power source, so you'll be fine. Overall, the Rexing V1 is worthy of considering, and if you ever decide to purchase it, you won't regret your decision. At number 3, it's the Vantrue N2 Pro. The Vantrue N2 Pro is yet another dual dash camera system that was specifically designed to accommodate the needs of the taxis who spend hours driving on the road. So let's quickly get into action in order to find out what you can expect from this unit. Design-wise, the N2 Pro includes 2 cameras, a front-facing camera that'll record the road ahead and the second one recording the passenger cabin. But what both of them have in common is the ability to record at 1080p resolution. I'd also like to mention that these cameras are extremely durable, thanks to their construction made of PC and ABS housing. Makes them strong enough to operate in temperatures that range from -4 to 194 degrees. However, keep in mind the best possible results will occur between -4 up to about 158 degrees. Let's talk about performance. The front-facing camera offers a diagonal viewing angle of up to 170 degrees with a maximum resolution of 1080p at 30 fps, while the rear camera is powered by a Sony Exmor IMX323 sensor. It records at 1080p at 30 fps and has a diagonal viewing angle of up to 140 degrees. So, looking at these 2 specs closely, it means both of these cameras won't disappoint you in terms of performance and quality of the recordings. I'd also like to mention that the installation process isn't time-consuming. You are supplied with a suction mount already, which can be easily attached and detached. Moving on, the N2 Pro packs gravity sensors, which will secure the recorded videos in case of a collision, a loop recording ability, which means that your old, unnecessary footage will be overwritten at specific intervals, as well as a time-lapse, which automatically takes photos and combines them together into a video output, which I find really awesome. Finally, there's also a timestamp feature, which I particularly like, since it'll serve as proof should you ever need it. To conclude, the N2 Pro is a must-have because it packs numerous features that'll elevate your safety to a whole new level. At number 2, it's the Thinkware F770. The Thinkware F770 is a 2-channel dash camera that would be an excellent option for you, especially if you spend most of your time driving at night, thanks to its high-end night vision capabilities. From a design perspective, the F770 sports a long and sturdy glossy black body that's accompanied by a mount connector positioned on the top, a security LED at the front, camera lens at the far side, but you'll also notice physical buttons such as the record button, voice recording button, Wi-Fi connection button, format button and a power button. So when you see it as a whole, it looks and feels very well equipped. For your information, this unit comes with many accessories, of which the most notable are the included cable mounting clips, a USB micro SD card reader, 32GB micro SD card, and a 12-volt cigarette adapter. So from the very beginning, you'll be supplied with everything you need. Now let's talk about features. The F770 utilizes an Ambarella A7 CPU, a Sony Exmor CMOS image sensor of up to 2.19 million pixels, and a 1080p HD camera with 140-degree wide viewing angles, which is absolutely great. Since we're talking about a 2-channel camera, I'd like to inform you that one of the cameras can be placed on the front while the second on the rear, and what's interesting about it is that both of them can record 1080p videos with 30 fps. Moving on, the F770 dashcam is Wi-Fi enabled as well, and regardless of whether you're an iOS or Android user, you can configure its settings from your smartphone and watch live videos. But that's not all. According to the manufacturer, during the night drive, this camera can increase the brightness at up to 1000% while reducing the noise to the minimum. So your videos will not only be well defined, they'll also be filled with dozens of details. But not least, this device will detect road markings while you're driving, and even push voice warnings when it detects a risk of an imminent collision. Overall, the Thinkware F770 deserves your attention, so check it out and assure yourself of its quality. At number 1, it's the Garmin Dashcam 55. The Garmin Dashcam 55 is a high-end GPS-enabled dash camera that combines a compact design with truly unreal recording capabilities. And maybe that's the main reason why it's being used by thousands of customers in the market. Design-wise, this unit boasts a discreet black-coloured body with an accented bronze ring that wraps around the lens, a 2-inch LCD screen and 4 uniform buttons positioned on the side that add even more beauty to its appearance. For your information, once you open the box, you'll find an 8GB micro SD card, 2 magnetic mounts of which you can take advantage in order to mount this little gem, and a 13.5-inch power cable. So, as you can see, you'll be equipped with everything you need. Moreover, the installation process is butter smooth as well, due to the fact that all you have to do is attach the magnetic mount, which is connected to the top of the camera, and after that, you have to stick one of the adhesive magnets to your dashboard or windscreen. Now let's talk about the features. The Dashcam 55 comes with a 3.7 megapixel camera that records in 1440p at 30 fps in both light and low lit surroundings, but you can lower the resolution as well. However, keep in mind that this leads to decreased quality. Moving on, you'll have two options of operation, whether with your voice or by smartphone if you download the free Verb app. For instance, if you intend to use your speech, all you have to do is say "OK Garmin" and give a specific instruction, such as take a picture, start or stop. While if you prefer the second option, I'd like to inform you that you can edit your videos, frame your shots, locate the camera, and much more with a single tap on your smartphone. Finally, this device integrates a G sensor, which I particularly like. But let's not forget that this device will alert you if you stray from your lane or if you're driving too close to the car ahead. To conclude, I'd recommend you consider the Garmin Dashcam 55 seriously, because this unit is strong enough to be considered a lifetime investment. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.